Good evening, students, all of you. I think you are ready for one more session in phonetics and phonetic symbols. Here, look at the board here. Consonant sounds. All these are consonant sounds. And they are altogether 24 in number. 24. And you see here this and this, and this and this. This row and this row. These are pairs, ಜೋಡಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ when you pronounce these sounds and these sounds, the vocal cords will be vibrating, vocal cords here. Whereas when you pronounce these sounds and these sounds, vocal cords will not vibrate much. That's why they are written together. We'll pronounce and see. Now here, p, p, p. Beginning, middle, end. These sounds are found usually. Beginning, middle, end of the word. See here, p, post, report, and tap. Now here, vocal cords, b, 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 bad, rubber, club. Come here, this is t, 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 t. Not so much vocal cord here, but here they'll be. Tit, stand, meet. So, starting, middle, end, t sound. Here, d, 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 d. See here, vocal cords, d. Dry, Sunday, red. This one, ch, 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 ch. Chair, batch, rich. This one, j, j, j. Join, ledger, bridge. This is k, k, k. From here only it is k, k. Creep, sky, take. Here, g, g, g. Good, bags, wig. Similar here now. These are also pair. Here the vocal cords will vibrate. Here they may not much. F, 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 f. Only in the front of the mouth it will be f, f, f. Phase, refer, tough, f, 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 f. Here, v, 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 v. That means the lower lip will come up, and upper teeth will be there on the inside edge of the lower teeth, and the tongue will push in a way the breath. So v, 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 venue, v, 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 venue, level, 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 love, love, love. This one, th, 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 th. We usually say th, th, th. Actual pronunciation is not th. It is th, 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 th. The tongue should go up, and in between, around the upper teeth, it should be little out of the upper teeth, and you must push the air. Th, th. I think, I thought, I thank you. Th. Not thank you, not sink, not then it becomes sir. Th, th, th. I think, I thought. So therefore, thought, nothing, path. Here, vocal cord should. It is not th, it is th. Then, bother, bathe. Usually we say bathe, the. It's okay, the, but real pronunciation is not the, it is something little more than the, it is the. Okay. Here it is say, mistake, books, this zoom, possess, watches, sound. Okay. Here, shape, mushroom, wish, this one, mouth should be a little open, genre, measure, pleasure, rouge, that sound should come. So therefore, you need to know here certain things now. Anyway, we'll come little later. Now these are all single sounds. Ma, my, prompt, some. Na, nice, venom, 10, na. This one, nasal sound. This is a nasal sound. Sing, 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 not sing. It is sing. Sing, king. Whenever you have ing, jumping, you don't say jumping. Don't say g at the end. Jumping, coming. You don't say coming. Nasal sound. House, cohesion. The breath should come from the abdomen, from the stomach. Sound. Okay. L, this is L sound. L. Light, slight, bottle, bottle. R, river, brown, brown. Wa. See your mouth, both the lips should come front, okay? Wa. Woman, what, covered, where, why, who. That both the lips should come together. Why, what. Whereas this one is not the same. See, V and W should not be pronounced as the same. So for example, I'll write here W-I-N-E, W-I-N-E to make the difference. V-I-N-E, W-I-N-E not the same, because V-I-N-E is a creeper. The Draksha Balli, V-I-N-E and Draksha Balli. Wine andre Draksha Rasa. ಅದು ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಒಂದೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡೋದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ವೈನ್, V-I-N-E. This is, we have to bring the mouth front, wine. So one is, V-I-N-E is wine. So therefore they are two different, they are two words pronounced differently. Here, okay, at the end is written as J, small j, but it is pronounced as ya. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಯ ರ ಲ ವ ಶ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಯ. Yes, ಬ್ಯೋ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ. Okay. Now one thing you must remember, so here one is different between this sound and this sound. They are not the same when you pronounce. Another you must remember, thing is a then. And you also must remember, This one, are they same? This is s. This is sh. This is z, zoo. When you say zoo. This one j, measure, pleasure. So therefore you must know these for vividly. This is s, this is z, this is sh, this is j, and this one is ya. This look like a J, but you should not confuse with the na. And this one here. See this d sound, then this sound. You see d sound and this j, d and j sound bring together, it becomes j. So single it is d, single is a j, but bring together it becomes j. Likewise, this is single t, and this one single sh. But bring together this sound and this sound, bring together here. See here, then it is ch. This is j, this is ch. So therefore certain sounds are brought together. Only few of them are brought together like this. Couple of them only brought together. So you need to know how to pronounce those when they are brought together. I think I made myself clear as much as possible. Go over again, and again you go and see how to pronounce these sounds. And the words are written here. The sounds that are written, first that sound comes in the middle, the starting, middle and the end. Same sounds are written like that. All sounds, they will come in the beginning, middle and at the end. Thank you very much for listening to me.